Heavy duty, all 304 stainless steel metal construction, ensuring quality and long lifetime. Max weight capacities range from 11 to 22 lbs, 5 to 10 kgs. Sleek surface, no sharp edges, safely hangs bathrobe, bath towel, pants and shirt, swimsuits, coats, bags, shower caddy or other stuff. 5-piece kit, 16 inches towel bar, toilet paper holder, 3 multi-purpose hooks. One complete set, meet all your need in daily life. Easy installation, concealed screw mount, wall mount. If you need installation instruction, please contact us, we will send it to you. Wide Complication. Modern design is ideal for bathroom, outdoor shower and remodeled bathroom closet, kitchen cabinet, laundry room, sitting room, etc. Top reviews from the United States. One step closer to a finished bathroom. We purchased our home 3 months before C-19 hit, and got most of the remodel done. Okay, TBH, it was more of a recovery effort than a remodel, 2 months later. Fast forward to today and I'm finally getting around to styling certain rooms, and our guest bath needed some serious attention. This hardware set was exactly what I was looking for. It's well made, the finish is perfect, no flaws, and with a mirror I also purchased on Amazon, I was able to replace some damaged chrome hardware that we hated, and in such a way that we didn't have to patch any holes from the old stuff. I plan to shop my home for the rest of the decor in that room, but I can rest easy now knowing this is installed correctly, anchored, and better in line with my vision for the room.